Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine to Google on Google Chrome. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome web browser. Here, once I open, you can see it took me to Yahoo. So Yahoo is the default search engine here, and you can just try searching something on the address bar here, and the search result is from Yahoo. Most of us prefer to have Google as the preferred search engine for the reason that Google has a better algorithm and provides better search results. So now let's see how to change it. Go ahead and click on these three dots on the right side at the top and go and click on settings. In the settings, click on search engine. Here you can see that the default search engine is Yahoo. All you have to do is select Google here. If you don't find the option Google here, you can just simply click on this which says manage search engines and site search, and you can scroll down and click on add and provide the URL for google.com here. As we have already selected Google as the search engine, now let's try opening a new tab and see if it is working. As you can see, it has now taken me to Google. Let's try searching something on the address bar here. Yes, as you can see, the search result is from Google. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please drop a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel. It will help me a great deal. Thank you.